Greetings everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to hide Instagram story from everyone. Before you get started, please subscribe to the channel. So first of all, open up Instagram app, then go to your profile, tap at three lines and select settings and privacy. Then scroll down until you find close friends. We need to get into close friends before creating a story. And right here, all we have to do is just add one person, one Instagram account to your close friends. I recommended you to choose some celebrities account. The key here is to select a user who for sure don't really care about your story. After that, tap add done. Then we can go to our profile and let's create a story. I am just going to choose some random video, and all we have to do now in order to hide that story from everyone is just stop at close friends. To share this story with our close friends, you remember that in my close friends, so all of my another Instagram followers don't know but I have shared a story. Also, we can go to our story top at that icon, and now we can remove even the user from the user who are able to see that story. Once you are done, then just stop at done. So by this way, you can hide Instagram story from everyone. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.